Hi, welcome back. Another quick tutorial here. Here's something I use all the time that's really useful. It's how to slow down and speed up clips using the fade tool. So you go like that, okay, and you just go like that. Have to make sure you got these selected. Then this one you can select either fade or slow down, and this one you can do speed up. So you now hear this. Put this in solo. And just do a normal fade, which would be this. Now if I do a slow down, it'll do this. But you can hear that really well. Just remove the fade and do the other side like this as a speed up. I had it already on speed up. Normally it would come up as fade in, then you just select speed up and this would go. You can just go like that and have a slow down. It's already on slow down. There you go. So as easy as that. Speed up and slow down. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Ciao.